Is it time to buy or sell Palantir stock? In this video, we will delve into Palantir. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 10th of June, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 15th of April, 2025, our system has ranked Palantir as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 2.76. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 34.97% since we first listed Palantir as a buy candidate 39 days ago. This translates to an average return of 0.90% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a robust and broad upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases are anticipated. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 73% over the next 3 months, with an expected return ranging between 50% and 79%. When examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a change of around 428%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance may vary from 273% to 438% over the coming year. In today's terms, this would position the future price between $495.46 and $714.73. Our latest daily update for Palantir includes the headline, Green Day on Tuesday for Palantir. The Palantir stock price experienced a gain of approximately 0.568% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 10th of June, 2025. The price rose from $132.06 to $132.81. This marks 3 consecutive days of gains. It will be interesting to see whether the stock continues this upward trend or takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 3.6%, with a low of $129.41 and a high of $134.07. Over the past 10 days, the price has increased on 7 occasions and has risen by 7.63% over the last 2 weeks. On the last day, trading volume decreased by 5 million shares, with a total of 69 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $9,150 million. It is important to note that declining volume during price increases may indicate potential changes in the upcoming days. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the stock was $135.27, while the lowest was $21.23. Currently, the price is 1.82%, or $2.46, below the 52-week high of $135.27, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Palantir Technologies, traded under the symbol PLTR, has garnered significant attention in recent months, with shares surging over 470% in the past year, prompting comparisons to meme stocks. Analysts note that while the outlook for Palantir remains optimistic, concerns about its high valuations introduce considerable risks, especially in the near to mid-term. This dichotomy could lead to volatility as retail investors react to market conditions. The company's recent partnership with Fedrigoni aims to leverage advanced artificial intelligence capabilities for operational transformation, underscoring Palantir's commitment to innovation and digital solutions. This strategic alliance may enhance its market position and potentially drive growth, presenting a favorable long-term outlook. On the flip side, analysts have expressed caution, suggesting that while Palantir stock is still seen as a buy due to its strong fundamentals, the price may be edging into overheated territory. Investors should be aware that such high valuations can lead to sharp corrections if market sentiments shift. Despite some pullbacks, Palantir's consistent performance in the Nasdaq 100 and increasing institutional interest indicate that the stock may still carry momentum. The mix of retail investor enthusiasm and the impact of institutional accumulation could support its price trajectory in the coming months. Although the risk of volatility remains high, In essence, Palantir's future movement will likely depend on balancing its growth potential against current valuation concerns. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 2nd of June, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned PLTR a neutral grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 2nd of June, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup also gave PLTR a neutral grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 2nd of June, 2025, it was reported that Loop Capital Markets rated PLTR with a buy grade while maintaining a hold action. On Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned PLTR a neutral grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, it was reported that UBS also gave PLTR a neutral grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Palantir stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Palantir. There are mixed signals in the stock today. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, June 3, 2025, and so far it has fallen by 0.27%. Further decline is indicated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. The Palantir stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which suggests a positive outlook for the stock. There is also a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected from the levels at $129.67 and $121.31. A breakdown below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day even as prices rose, creating a divergence between volume and price, which could serve as an early warning. Therefore, the stock should be monitored closely. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal recorded 6 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal observed 55 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal noted 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal indicated 44 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal, established 40 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal noted 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal indicated 44 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal, established 244 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Palantir. Palantir finds support from accumulated volume at $131.78. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when this support is tested. The stock typically exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with solid trading volume, the associated risk is deemed to be medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $4.66 between its high and low, representing a change of 3.60%. In the previous week, the stock experienced daily average volatility of 6.43%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Palantir, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. An extremely high PE ratio indicates that the stock may be overvalued. However, high ratios are not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 4th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at 14 cents. Keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Palantir. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Palantir is at 133.17. If you do not currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already have the stock, this could be a suitable level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Palantir faces its first support level at 131.78. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Palantir from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Buckley Jeffrey, who bought and sold 1,776 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 18.643. Overall, insiders purchased 6,846,426 shares and sold 10,197,694 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $128.27, reflecting a decline of 3.42%. This stock experiences moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 5 days ago. Is Palantir stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for Palantir stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 11th of June, we expect Palantir to open lower by approximately 71 cents, starting at $132.10. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Do not base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.